I give you all my money. I'm so wealthy. You're a sugar daddy. I'm a sugar mommy.
Yeah.
Sobrang happy ko sa mga galing sa garden.
Oh, there is sardine. No wonder it's fishy.
That's what I told you, sardines.
Good morning, Philippines!
So proud. Lumaki na guys. Tignan nyo. Hindi pa rin siya nabitay. Kailangan ko na siyang i-transfer at saka ibitay-bitay. Yan, maganda naman siya. Oh, tumaas talaga siya. Look. Good morning everything! Good morning guys! Good morning sa lahat! Good morning sa tanan! Everything! Everything! Anyway, so today is Monday. Kakain ako ng maaga. Bread. Something. Uminom na ako ng tubig at lahat-lahat. Coffee. Tami guys, yung transparent ko na coffee cup. Biniak niya yung ko. So ngayon, binalik ko yung, malaki ko yung coffee cup na I don't need Google. My husband know everything. Ang daming, dami. Oh my God. Ay, hala, ano yan? Bakit andyan ka? Hindi ka mananako talaga to. Every morning kami ni Tami, may discussion kami tungkol sa mga nangyayari ngayon sa mundo. Dito sa US, yung mga lives matter na yan. Wala akong kinakampihan. Sa akin wala akong ganon. Pero, sa tingin ko, lahat naman tayo nag-matter sa Panginoon, di ba? Lahat ng lives matter. Yung pusa, may matter yun sa Panginoon. Yung aso, yung skunk, yung lahat. Walang pinipili. Lahat tayo, importante. Saan na yung utak ng mga tao ngayon? Yun yung naisip ko, guys. Saan na yung utak ng mga tao ngayon? Asa na sila? Ba't wala na ba yung matter? Kahit mga daga, ang kinabuhi nila, ang buhay nila is nagmamatter din. Yung mga freedom of speech, social media, nagawa yung social media kasi may, sa'yo yan. Pero kahit social media, nila, wala ka nang pwedeng masabi tungkol sa kanila. It's going to feed the cat. Alis lang si Tabi mo, guys. I'm gonna water the plant, edit the video.
I'm gonna see me here for like an hour to wonder what's going on. Oh, more than that.
You come back home.
Yeah.
I don't stay there long in the one.
Well, you know I gotta stay with the cat a little while.
Yeah, I know. You gonna use my car?
Yeah.
What is this light from?
What?
That light?
Inside the car. When I walk near it.
It's in the thing. It's in the middle. Palagi na lang nakakalimutan yung cellphone niya. Iwan ko. Ayaw ata niyang tawagan ko siya palagi. Hindi naman ako ganon. And then the key. He forget the house key that yung kapatid ni Tami na binili dito. Hindi siya makapasok doon kung walang key. And what else do you forget? What else you forget? Where are you going?
Oh, the key. Fuck. Stupid. Nice. Yeah, that would suck. I get all the way over there and what?
Do you have cash?
I don't know. I got a little bit.
Here, take this.
No.
Take this.
No, hon. MaryAnn, I'll talk to
I give you all my money. I'm so wealthy. You're a sugar daddy. I'm a sugar mommy.
Yeah. Bye. MaryAnn, I'll see you when
Open
I'm
the
back.
garage.
I'm going to.
I love you.
Me too.
The car is always make a noise and like, my car.
The motorized fan. So
Love you too. Lagyan natin yan dyan. Yan. Hopefully hindi yun ang init na sa labas. Doon ako sa labas, guys. Nag giant string beans, yung palit sitaw sa atin. Dahil dikit-dikit, yung isa malapit sa sa bell pepper ko. So, tinatransfer ko siya. And also, kinakat ko yung dahon ng zucchini. Kasi yung zucchini is tumatangkad pa ganun. Tumatangkad siya at saka ang daming dahon nakatabon sa talong. So, ito yun siya, guys. Zucchini. I think ipabigay ko ito kay Tami sa kapitbahay. Yun. I think ipabigay ko ito sa kapitbahay. And, yun, ito siya. Nahinog siya dahil nasira siya dito. Ito yung unang tomato natin na nahinog. Kasi, una siya nahinog dahil may siya sira. So, magagamit pa yan. And also, more harvest in spinach. Look, spinach. Dami, guys. Diba? Hugasan ko yan mamaya. And, tapos na ako for now. Nagtubig, ganun. Ang saya, guys. Oh, naka-harvest tayo, guys. Ang daming zucchini. This is my 3rd time harvesting zucchini, guys. And yun, excited ako sa tomato kasi ang daming tomato at saka yung cucumber. Easy lang yung tomato alagaan, pero yung cucumber, guys, kailangan ko talaga siyang bantayan. Yun. At saka yung cucumber ko sa labas, may mga babying cucumber na wala, kinain ata ng mga, iwan ko kung sinong kumain, mga hayop ata, mga chipmunks, bunnies, yun, dami nating gulay, guys. Na-excited ako, guys. Hi, guys. Look, more harvest, guys, oh. Cucumber! Yay! Cucumber, guys. Oh my goodness. Ito yung gulay natin. Ipasalad ko ito kay Tami. And marami pang cucumber. Ito lang yung kinuha ko dahil yung iba, I leave it there until they grow the right, right size. Oh.
Eggplant raviolis.
Eggplant raviolis.
Yeah.
Are you happy the vegetables I harvested, honey?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a lot of them. The cutest 2 boys in the house. My boys. My 2 boys. The daddy boy and the baby boy. Josh. And daddy boy. And the baby boy. Daddy boy. And the daddy boy. Daddy boy.
She said you gotta do more, Mama. I do more.
Naghanap ako ng sa freezer. Naghanap ako ng malunggay. Wala akong makitang malunggay. So ngayon, ito na lang yung kainin ko. Maglauoy ako, guys, with tinapa. Bulang lang tinapa. Pero ito siyang lauoy na to, gamay lang yung sabaw. And then a little bit of zucchini. Ang TV ba ang at saka yun. Dun 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 dun, baby. Dun 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 dun. With your head on my shoulder. Dun, dun. Lang ba tayo? Hirap. Yun. While That's my foot. over drowning in the water, is wrinkly. Bless you. Yun guys, sobrang happy ko sa mga galing sa garden. Galing ito sa garden guys. Ang saya naman. Ang saya-saya. 'Di ba? Nakapagulay na tayo. Ay nako, sabaw, ginisa, salad. You did poke me heartily.
I heartily poked you right. Heartily.
Heartily. You know what I noticed about the electric here?
What's that?
Blink, 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 blink. You blink on. All of our vegetables right now is from the garden.
I got you guys ham.
Let's eaty. 90. I'm waiting for my husband, but I'm sitting here already because I don't eat rice, guys, since yesterday. Yesterday, yeah. Ang sarap. Itong mga gulay natin galing sa garden, di ba? Ang sarap. Sarap ng ano? Lauoy na tinapa. I'm starving, baby boy.
I used to pick all the ham out, but you gotta eat the rest of it.
Was a good little follower for 18 months, and one night she got thrown alone. Stabbed
This
Tastes
is...
fishy.
Huh?
Tastes fishy.
No, it's not.
Tastes fishy.
Yeah, right, because you see a fish. It's not fishy.
Where did I see a fish?
Sardines. Now you don't want it.
I didn't see a fish, but it tastes fishy, I'm telling you.
Really?
Yeah.
Bring back memories, son.
Oh, there is sardine. No wonder it's fishy.
That's what I told you, sardines. Eat the sardines.
I thought because you had sardines in yours.
Eat the sardines. It's good for you. Hello mga loves. Same thing. Paalis na kami. So, yun. Hindi na ako magbihis. Pang bahay lang pa rin kasi, you know. Hala, uy, ito ba? Kalagot man itong mga ano. Okay, we will be right back. Kisses to mama, babe. We will be right back. Kisses. Kiss, mama. Kiss. Do you wanna go ride? Do you wanna ride? I need to rearrange my chair all the time. Puti na lang itong bangko. May ano, may posisyon na siya para sa akin ba? kini-kini-kina. Hi, dear. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, dear. There's more there over here. Ang pagpag ni Mama. Ang kayut-kayut. Ang kayut-kayut. Where are you guys? Where are you? Uy, come over here. Wait. Oh my God.
Quiet, quiet.
Monkey, oh, your mouth ba? Kaya mga kinabuhi. Hello guys, katapos ko lang naligo, ano na, 9:30. Si Tami ando na sa kama. Natutulog na si Tami. And anyway, so i-end ko na to ditong vlog. Naligo ako ngayong gabi dahil para bukas maaga ako guys. Kunin ko si Lloydie, sobrang aga namin. And dapat magdala ako ng lalato. Ito. So, dala tayo ng paper plate. And i-ready ko lang para hindi ko makalimutan. And tubig. Ito, mag-ano kami, basta makikita niyo bukas, mag-ano lang kami. Kakain-kain at saka mag-drive, mag-picnic sa sa somewhere. Yan. I-end ko nito ditong vlog guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Samahan ko na lang si Tami doon. Think may naramdaman ata. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Good night.